Hello friends, welcome to another interesting video. Have you ever wondered why in the coldest places on Earth, the seas don't freeze completely? Or why a glass of water freezes so easily, but not seawater? Today we are going to discover one of the most interesting secrets of nature together. The secret behind salt, ice, and even life on Earth. In this video, we will understand why salt water freezes more slowly. How is it different from fresh water? And how this simple feature has allowed the oceans to survive. So stay with me until the end of the video, because at the end we will reach a point that will really change your view of seawater. Let's start with a simple comparison. We all know that pure water or fresh water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. When water molecules cool, they slow down, line up in an orderly manner, and form the structure of ice. But seawater, even though it's still water, behaves completely differently. When salt enters water, seawater is full of salt. When salt dissolves in water, it breaks down into two parts: sodium ions and chlorine ions. These ions act like invisible obstacles between water molecules, preventing the molecules from easily coming together and forming ice. In simpler terms, salt disrupts the order of water. Freezing point depression. The main reason for slow freezing. This is what causes something called freezing point depression to occur. What does that mean? That is, fresh water freezes at 0 degrees. But salt water needs much colder temperatures to freeze. Sometimes as low as -21 degrees Celsius. So until the temperature reaches that point, seawater remains liquid. Why does salt water need more cold? To freeze, water molecules need to come closer together and form strong bonds. But salt weakens these bonds and increases the distance between molecules. For this reason, more energy is required. We need more extreme cold. And ice forms more slowly. The role of vapor pressure, short and simple. Salt also reduces the vapor pressure of water. This means that water molecules have a harder time leaving the liquid state, which also makes salt water freeze more slowly. What happens when seawater freezes? When the temperature drops too low, seawater eventually freezes. But the strange thing is that salt doesn't get into the ice. As a result, the salt remains in the surrounding water. Sea ice is almost sweet. That's why some polar ice can be turned into drinking water after purification. What if salt water froze like fresh water? If seawater froze at 0 degrees, the oceans would freeze very quickly. Ocean currents would stop working. The Earth's climate would be disrupted. And life on Earth would be in serious danger. So salt is not just a simple substance. It is one of the reasons why the Earth is balanced. Real-world applications. That's why they salt the roads in winter. Salt makes ice melt even in sub-zero temperatures, making roads safer. So here's the summary. Salt water, because of the salt, disrupts the molecular order of water, lowers its freezing point, and makes it freeze more slowly. This simple secret has allowed the seas to survive even in the coldest places on Earth. If you found this video interesting, be sure to like and leave me a comment. And if you want to know what other simple things control the world like this, follow the channel. Until the next video, take care of yourself.